This Calphalon Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron 12-inch fry pan is a versatile kitchen tool that can elevate your cooking experience. Whether you're preparing a crispy seared steak or a flavorful cornbread, this durable skillet promises to bring out the best in your recipes. In this detailed review, we will explore its key features, benefits, and performance to help you make an informed purchase decision. What makes the Calphalon Cast Iron Skillet stand out? Calphalon is known for creating high-quality cookware that is built to last, and the pre-seasoned cast iron fry pan is no exception. Constructed from heavy-duty cast iron, this skillet delivers impressive heat retention and even heat distribution, making it perfect for everything from searing meats to baking in the oven. Here are the standout features of the Calphalon 12-inch cast iron skillet that will make you want to add it to your kitchen arsenal. 1. Pre-seasoned surface for easy maintenance. One of the most notable features of this skillet is its pre-seasoned surface. Unlike traditional cast iron pans that require seasoning, this pan is ready to use straight out of the box. The pre-seasoned surface ensures that food doesn't stick, providing a smoother cooking experience. This feature is especially important for those who might be new to cooking with cast iron, as it eliminates the need for extra maintenance, saving time and effort. 2. Superior heat retention. Cast iron is renowned for its ability to retain heat, and this skillet is no exception. The Calphalon 12-inch fry pan can maintain consistent heat, which is ideal for slow-cooking dishes, as well as searing meats. Whether you're cooking on the stovetop or transferring the pan to the oven, the skillet ensures that your food cooks evenly without hot spots, resulting in perfectly cooked meals every time. 3. Generous size and versatility. With a 12-inch diameter, this skillet provides ample space for cooking large portions, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. Whether you are frying chicken, sautéing vegetables, or preparing a frittata, this skillet's size ensures that you have plenty of room to work with. Additionally, it's oven and broiler safe, meaning you can easily transfer the pan from stovetop to oven, making it perfect for recipes that require both methods. 4. Safe for all cooking surfaces. The Calphalon Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Fry Pan is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction. Whether you're cooking on a traditional gas burner or using an induction cooktop, this skillet can handle the heat. This versatility makes it a perfect choice for any kitchen, no matter the cooking setup. Plus, it can be safely used with metal, nylon, coated, or wooden utensils, making it a durable and low-maintenance cooking companion. 5. Ergonomic and secure handle design. One of the features that many users appreciate is the oversized handle that comes with the Calphalon cast iron pan. The large handle makes it easier to lift and maneuver the skillet, even when it's full of food. It provides a secure grip, preventing accidental slips while transferring the pan from the stovetop to the oven. Additionally, the pan is designed with a helper handle, which further improves its portability, making it easier to handle, especially when cooking with heavy ingredients. 6. Ideal for both traditional and slow cooking. Cast iron skillets are beloved for their ability to cook food evenly over low heat, making them the perfect choice for slow cooking, braising, and simmering. Whether you're making a hearty stew, cooking a delicate fish fillet, or baking cornbread, the Calphalon fry pan ensures that your food will retain heat for longer periods, keeping it warm until you're ready to serve. 7. Durability and longevity. Cast iron cookware is known for its longevity, and the Calphalon Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Fry Pan is no different. It is built to withstand heavy use, and with proper care, it can last for generations. Whether you're an everyday cook or someone who enjoys occasional meal preparation, this skillet will be a reliable tool in your kitchen for many years to come. 8. Calphalon's Lifetime Warranty. When you purchase this skillet, you're not just getting a high-performance cookware piece, you're also getting peace of mind. The Calphalon Lifetime Warranty backs the product, ensuring that any defects or issues will be addressed. This makes it a great investment for anyone who wants a long-lasting, durable skillet. 9. Perfect for a wide range of dishes. The versatility of the Calphalon Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Fry Pan is another feature that makes it a standout product. Whether you want to sear steaks, bake cornbread, sauté vegetables, or even make delicious desserts like cobblers, This skillet can handle it all. Its oven-safe design and even heat distribution mean you can easily prepare a variety of meals without worrying about inconsistent cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.